So I came to fill up my car right there at the gas station, and I found a really interesting powerboat here dumped at the parking lot. It's Scarab 1. I think it's Wellcraft Scarab 1, made in 1980s. Wow, really trashed inside. But looks good overall, and it was left right at the parking lot of the Walmart. There is Walmart entrance right there. Wow. It looks clean outside. The registration expired, wow, 2011, 11 years ago. The trailer is nice also. Hydraulic brakes. I don't know if they work. But still, good trailer. You can buy this kind of boat for approximately $6,000. It's 21 foot long, about 6.4 meters long. Let's check the outdrive. How does it look like here? Oh, actually pretty clean, and trim tabs are clean. It has steel propeller, brand new one, you can see sticker there. It has additional water cooling pipes for the top of the outdrive. There you can see these steel pipes, it's additional cooling. Looks not bad. SE106 outdrive. As I remember, it's made in China, it's not original one. Yeah, a lot of trash inside. Let's see. Looks good. The gauges. All in place. Oh, even the stereo system. And there's a cabin. The door is open to the cabin. Let's check the gauges. Looks not bad.